So to start off with this DIY, you'll need a bowl, as you can see, a measuring spoon, and a regular spoon for mixing the ingredients. Next, you'll need some black tea, and black tea has so much benefits, guys. I'll definitely leave them on the screen. Black tea helps to prevent hair breakage, reduces shedding, maintains hair color, thickens the hair, and strengthens the hair. You can also consume this tea. It's good for like hot flash. It's good for your your organs. It's Earl Grey. This specific black tea was made like in Italy, and it was also made with real bergamot oil. The next ingredient is some Benjamin essence of peppermint, and no like DIY hair growth treatment is a treatment without a little tingling. Well, that's for me. Let me know what you think. Drop your thoughts below. And then I have my good old carrot oil that I made a few days ago. If you missed that video, it will be up in the iCard as well as in the description box, so make sure you check it out if you missed that tutorial. The next ingredient you'll need is Caramel Organics Hibiscus powder. I love this brand because of what the brand also stands for. Caramel Organics believes that we should consume food free of pesticides, additives, or artificial ingredients. This is choice we have to make for our future generation and our environment. Pesticides can cause short-term impacts such as headaches to chronic impacts like cancer. Chemicals are easy to practice, and organic takes labor, but we consider it as a labor of love. We grow crops organically rather than using chemicals. Caramel Organics is a brand that connects you to us with a promise that we will put our heart in organic farming for you, and we will send you the best products only. You can consume our products with joy, pride, and feeling that it comes from your own farm. Caramel advocates this philosophy in our practice with partners involved. You joining the organic club will not only strengthen our movement, but it will improve the lives of thousands of small farmers and laborers who are involved in the process. We will restore the soil to what it truly should be. Thank you for choosing organic and Caramel Organic. And this product is from India, and yeah, right now I'll be adding 2 tablespoons of hibiscus powder.
A pair of jeans, a shirt or two. We didn't pack as if we went.
So I ended up using 4 tablespoons, guys. Hibiscus is good to stop hair loss. It makes your hair look healthy and lustrous. It prevents premature graying, thicken hair and add volume, treat dandruff, condition against frizz, dryness, and breakage, prevent split ends. Right now, I'll be adding a couple tablespoons of black tea. I'll tell you how much I add when I'm finished.
Going back, it doesn't matter if it's true.
You want to mix it around until you get the consistency that you like.
I've got a feeling love will give us what we like.
So as you can see, I need more.
The world is waiting up. The world is waiting half a step beyond.
So that's the consistency that I loved. It looks so rich, creamy, and beautiful. Like it's this deep burgundy shade, and y'all know how I feel about red and burgundy, right? So I was in love. Now I'll be adding my carrot oil that I made. Make sure you check that video out. In total, I use 4 tablespoons of hibiscus powder and 9 tablespoons of black tea to get that consistency, as well as the measurement will depend on the length of your hair. So now I'll be adding like 3 tablespoons of carrot oil.
And if it's not enough, I wanna see the stuff the world has got.
Now I'll be using a few drops of peppermint oil. I wanna say I used around a teaspoon of or half teaspoon of peppermint oil, and all you've got to do now is blend it together.
I wanna take.
So I mix it around until I get that thick, nice consistency that I love. So now it's time to apply it to my hair, so stay tuned and I'll tell you my thoughts after. All the ingredients and the equipment you'll see me use in this video will be in the description box. Make sure you check it out.
Get on it, I'm falling. The cityscape by night, wanna catch in my photos. Where you go, every corner twice as bright. They'll be my treasures forever. When I can't hold you tight, I'll see the Stockholm lights. The Stockholm lights, the Stockholm lights. Tomorrow feels a year away, like the seconds, the beginning and the end. But if in time it's yesterday, your picture's gonna bring it home to me again. The world is waiting up, the world is waiting half a step beyond our door. And if it's not enough, I wanna see the stars.
I sat underneath the dryer for like 30 minutes and then I kept it on for extra hour and a half. So after washing this mask out of my hair feels so soft and nice, and honestly it's have to be one of my favorite masks so far, because when I was like detangling it in the shower there was little to no shedding at all. So I would definitely recommend trying this mask. It will definitely be a fave.
The world has got in store.